Trading on the currency markets fairly subdued on this first main day of trade for 2023, as traders are gearing up for some important data to be released later on in this week. Let's start tomorrow with the FOMC minutes. At the conclusion of the last Fed meeting mid-December, Chairman Jerome Powell announced a 50 basis point increase of Fed funds rate of a range between 4.25% and 4.5%, now at the highest in 15 years. This was the conclusion of a year that saw the US Federal Reserve hiking by a cumulative 425 basis points. Now, investors also expecting some employment data out this week. On Thursday, the ADP employment change, that's the private payrolls release, and weekly jobless claims, and December non-farm payrolls coming on Friday. Quick snapshot of what we're expecting there. Early expectations point to 200,000 job creations last month. Unemployment rate set to remain at 3.7%, and average hourly earnings expected to rise by a margin of 5% year on year. I want to show you this chart. This is the dollar basket, the dollar trading against the whole basket of G10 currencies. And you can see we continue to challenge this line of support at 103.07. We saw the return of trade today, again testing that area at 103.07. And if we do get a break of that, we're then down to levels not seen since the 9th of June. And then the next line of support to watch out for is 101.10. How do you trade this? Well, it's around the euro-dollar trade. Second down a row of losses for the euro against the US dollar, despite that weakening of the US dollar down to those levels. The line of support is at 106.16, which I've drawn on here, which were the highs we had back on the 27th of June. And we saw that area challenged again recently. It's been an area of interest at 106.16. 106.57 is where we're trading at the moment. And with the Fed minutes released tomorrow, we'll be looking for, I guess, a continuation of the recent trend that we've had with a stronger euro against that weaker US dollar. And if you're strong on this trade, if you're long at 106.56, your stop would go below the 106 level.